Today I'm going to be reviewing Loxp's adjustable laptop stand. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. What a great idea. What a nice thing. I've been trying to get one of these for a while. I have a laptop and it's really important to kind of keep them off the table to allow better airflow, especially if you have a gaming laptop. They get really hot. It spins around, right? So you can adjust it. This part here can go up and down. Then the whole thing can raise up. And it's tight. So if you're here, obviously you'd have to raise this up. It's very tight. So like rotations, it says it gets like 15,000. Now maybe over time it will get loose, but I can tell you when I was using this last night with my laptop on it, I was able to put a little weight on there and it still wasn't moving. So let me show you with a laptop how this looks. It does have the rubber feet here and rubber here to keep it from slipping. All right, so here's my laptop. It's an Omega 16. You can lower it a little bit and it's tight, and then the lid can go down and then you can lift this up. This does really well on Amazon, 4.7 stars, over 790 reviews. And last month, 7,000 plus of this stand were sold on Amazon. So it does well, people like it. And if you're looking for a laptop stand, it's not a bad deal. It's a great price right now. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.